Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of October, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.12. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.25%. This results in an average return of 0.13% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently positioned at the higher end of a weak rising trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an attractive selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. Should the price break above the upper trend line at $500.4, it would indicate a stronger rate of increase. Analyzing the 3-month trend, it suggests a potential change of approximately 8% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 1.36% to 9.1%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a possible change of 27.39% over the next year, with potential returns between 17.66% and 37.87%. This translates to a price range between $582.90 and $683.03 after a year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for QQQ ETF after gaining nearly 0.1%. The QQQ ETF price increased by nearly 0.1% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, rising from $494.47 to $495.42. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a minor break in the coming days. On the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1%, with a low of $491.31 and a high of $496.23. The price has risen on 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.76% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 4 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, resulting in approximately 29 million shares being bought and sold for about $14.24 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price is 1.61%, or $8.10, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. In recent updates, QQQ has captured investor attention through its association with artificial intelligence innovations and the performance momentum in technology. Today's reports highlight QQQ as an aggressive bet on AI adoption, tracking the NASDAQ 100 index and showcasing a strong historical average return of over 18% annually. Stocks like NVIDIA are pivotal to this growth narrative, and rising demand for AI technology suggests continued investor enthusiasm. Billionaire Ken Griffin's significant investments in QQQ further underscore the sentiment around this exchange-traded fund. Griffin's focus on QQQ reflects its status as a key market player, especially as AI technology propels productivity gains. However, caution is advised as some analysts express concern about bubble-like valuations, pointing out that QQQ's price-to-earnings ratio stands above 40, driven by a concentration in just a handful of stocks. This raises questions about sustainability, particularly if growth in AI doesn't materialize as quickly across all sectors. In the short term, QQQ could benefit from the continued surge in AI and technology investment, potentially leading to price increases. On the other hand, if the earnings season uncovers weakness among its top holdings, we might see a correction. Long-term, as AI adoption expands, QQQ may provide substantial returns, but vigilance regarding market valuations is essential to navigate potential volatility. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, indicating that the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $493.39 and $480.23. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Some negative signals have also emerged, potentially influencing short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, and thus far, it has declined by 0.418%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 29 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 230 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund tests a support level, as breaking through this level may lead to a decline to the next support point. In this case, QQQ has support just beneath today's level at $448.75. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the exchange-traded fund experienced a movement of $4.92 between its high and low, which is 1%. For the past week, the average daily volatility has been 1.08%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate either low expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $497.50. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, This could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, QQ faces its first support level at 448.75 cents. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $476.77, reflecting a decrease of 3.77%. This exchange-traded fund experiences minimal daily fluctuations, which contributes to its low-risk profile. Recently, a sell signal emerged from a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally favorable trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a good chance for the QQ ETF to perform well in the near future. However, after analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of October, we expect the QQQ to open down by $1.10, beginning at $494.32. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.